Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Learn how to easily perform subtraction calculation inside a Microsoft Word table using built-in formulas. This simple tutorial from Backspace will help you automate your document calculation without using Excel. So let's get started. We can see here many page. Now I go to the table and we can see here a table. Now I click inside the table and go to the layout menu. Then we can see here a formula. Now I click this, then find the subtraction formula, but not available the subtraction here. Now I make it manually. Now I make this manually. Press third bracket using F9, using control F9, then write is equal to, then write your text 200 minus 20, then click outside, then click again the formula, then type. Now we can see we subtraction this easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.